Hello, how is going on? I am Sujit Patel. I am on the members area of List Lariat, which is a product of creating your buyers list, and it shows you the secret of collecting the buyers list. If you are on the digital marketing journey or affiliate marketing or online marketing journey, then you need to create your list, and that list will be remain with you forever. So if you are going for paid advertising, then the advertiser may change their algorithm and you may suffer later on. But if you are buying you are creating your list, then it will be remain with you forever, and you can um, promote your products again and again to those list. So in this product list lariat, uh, the creator Saurabh and Bill will show you how efficiently you can create your buyers list. Also they will show you how to create a landing page, squeeze page, and what offers you can provide, how to create a product on Warrior Plus for free and offer to the buyers for free, how to create a coupon code. All these things are explained in this video. Okay, so before going through this list lariat tool or training portal, we'll go to my bonus page and we'll see as a part of this list lariat what are the bonuses you'll be getting, um, and what are the vendor bonuses you will be getting. Okay, so let's jump to the computer screen and we'll see one by one. Okay, so let me minimize this a bit. Okay, and I'll move to here, then keep it here. Okay, so I'm in the members area of list lariat. As I mentioned, I'll show you one by one. So before that, I'll go to my bonus page and I'll show you what bonuses you'll be getting if you are deciding to purchase with my bonus link. Okay, which is provided in the below in this YouTube video. Okay, so you have to click on that link and you will be landing on this my bonus page, and you will, when you click on this, then you can go to the sales page. Okay, so this list lariat will be released on 16th of October, uh, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so before this countdowns ends to zero, you need to take action and click on this any of the red button in my bonus page, and you will be going to the sales page and you can purchase it. Okay, so you can see the bonus page, and I'll explain you a bit before we'll jump into the product. So as a part of this product, which is a list building software or a training, they will provide how to create your build buyers list. They will reveal the secret how they have generated thousands of buyers list as a part of their marketing journey. They will reveal in this tutorial or training tutorial. Okay, so as a part of this, you will be getting my bonus number one as um, this Atomic done for you, and this access to Atomic done for you software is created by Brandon and Jono, and what it provides is it is a portal which lists hundreds of ebooks and PDFs and landing pages and squeeze pages, and how you'll promote that. Everything is explained in this tutorial, and you'll be getting it access to that Atomic done for web. So as you will be uh, you will be getting this list lariat, which is also list building training. Additionally, it will be very much beneficial when you will offer the free PDFs or free contents and blogs and articles and to your buyers list, and then in that way also you can generate or create your buyers list. Okay. Second bonus is cost per action CPA profit hack, and in this tutorial it will show um, how to go for CPA marketing. Okay. Bonus number three will be a list building method. So additionally, in this tutorial, you will find out how to create your buyer list as well. Okay, additionally, so apart from this product, this tutorial will also provide more methods of creating your buyers list. And the fourth one is the insane bonus. You'll be getting access to Vanquish Pro. So Vanquish is a new software, and it has been released by John O. Armstrong a couple of weeks back. And what it does is it it provides you access to this tool, and which actually provides and list all the YouTube videos ranking currently, and those are monetized so that you can um, run your ad on top of all those trending videos or any niche. Okay. And also it will provide you TikTok videos and TikTok contents, all these uh, statistics of all these uh, TikTok's contents. Okay. And apart from that, many more things are there in Vanquish, so you'll be getting access to the professional version of Vanquish. This is a brand new software, and it cost itself $267, and now also it is selling in this price. And bonus number five will be the vendor bonuses, whatever the vendor will be provided. Okay. Okay. So once you click on this red button, then it will take you to the sales page. And when sales page on the sales page you will purchase, then it will send you an email to your email box, and there you'll be getting a link, and when you click on that link, then you'll come to this Warrior Plus page. Okay. So this is the sales page. You can go through the details at your own time, because this is a very long sales page. Okay. Let it load. Yeah, you can see their introduction video and sales video here, and you can go through all the testimonials and yeah, and all the details and the bonuses what you'll be getting as a part of this. If you are choosing to purchase, you can see the bonuses, and you can go through at your own time. Okay. But you have to take action before that, and click on this link below. When you click on this link below and purchase it, then you'll be sending one email, and when you click on that email, you will be landing on this Warrior Plus page. And on this there will be a purchase history. When you click on this, you'll be getting this list of your software. When you click on this software, then it will go to this kind of page, and when you click on this blue button, it will take you to the bonus page. So what I am offering as a part of this product. Okay. And when you click on this green button, then it will take you to the product page, the list Lariat. Okay. So this is my bonus page. As we have already gone through all these things, then now I'll jump into the software tool. So in nutshell, the list Lariat is a training software which will teach you how to build your buyers list fast and in efficient way. Okay. So see, this is the welcome video, and this tool has been created, training tool has been created by Bill and his Bill. And Saurabh. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the introduction. He's Saurabh, and you can see.
Hey, what is up, man?
Okay, and this is overview of list lariat, how it works. They will show you like that. What are the tools you will be needing to collect or create your bias list? All these have been explained here in detail, and the tools they are giving away as a part of this training. You'll be getting this giveaway, the lost code uh, created by Brandon and Jono, and giveaway of $0 to $100 in 24 hours. How you can earn $0 to $100 in 24 hours. There will be a training which will be available to you when you buy this. Okay, and in the main training I'll show you how to create a squeeze page. See, the thing they are explaining, how to get a domain hosting, how to create your squeeze page, how to install WordPress, how to install Thrive Architect, all these things done for you. Let up set up everything for you. They will providing all these things. Okay, and I'll do not want to reveal all these things, but you can see here. Okay, so and the power ups, the how to create your Facebook page and efficiently manage and drive traffic to your page, and potentially you will be creating your buyers list and earning from them. Okay, and how to they will show the mailers list also, and though they will show how to post your links in the classified ads. There are lots of way they are explaining as a part of this. Okay, and how to create content on Quora to drive traffic to your promotions or affiliate links, and they are providing this much of bonuses as well as a part of this tool. When you purchase, then it will be available to your members area, and these are the upgrades. If you choose to go for these upgrades, then you can go. Okay, so these are the training videos, and everything has been explained in detail to um, create your buyer list, and which will be used by you forever for your lifetime. Okay, and now I'll go to the bonus page again, and I'll show you about this software again. So what it says, so what is the list lariat all about? This says this list lariat method is unique method for building your list fast. The list lariat method is how to top marketers multiply their profits while working less time. You have never seen anything like the list lariat method before, at least not in this form. Get your very own high quality product unavailable anywhere else, that you can give away over and over again, and build a massive list of that people will stand in line to join. This method is fast and won't spend a dime out of your pocket for traffic. You include cheap method also. Make $100 per day and scale up fast a big if you, as you want. So as a part of this software, they will also teach you how to create a product on Warrior Plus and offer to your subscribers or your buyers. Okay, and how to create coupon code. All these things are, see, uh, yeah, as a part of this they will explain how to create a product as well. Okay, so okay, so now I'll explain you for the prices and upsells. So if you are choosing to purchase the front end edition, it will be 12 uh, $0.95. The upsell number one, the advanced version is $37, and the advanced one is secret traffic method and advanced training strategy that I use to build my list. Okay, you'll be getting this if you are choosing the upsell number one. The upsell number two, what you do is SDFY version, uh, uh, and it costs $67. And what you'll be getting, get 5 done for web pages which you can use right away to send traffic and start building your list right away. So all are done for you and you'll be getting ready made. Okay. And option number 3 is OTO3, that is reseller rights, and here which costs $97. And here you will get 100% resale rights through the entire product, which means you earn commission through the entire funnel. Okay, so if you purchase this, then you can drive traffic to this sales page and you can earn 100% of profit for them, for you. Okay. So option number 4, the 4 weeks coaching, which costs $197. So you can have a one-to-one live coaching with 4 weeks of live coaching to learn, implement the strategies to get started with online marketing and make those affiliate commissions daily. So they'll be teaching all these things for 4 weeks, one-to-one. So here are the key benefits. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. That is, no prior experience needed, 100% newbie friendly. You do not need experience to start with. So they will be teaching everything as a part of this training. And get unlimited people or buyers. Anybody can get started today. Big paydays without hassle with 100% free traffic. Okay. So all of this is covered by a no question asked 30-day money back guarantee. So to, if you are wishing to purchase this, then click on this uh, any of the red button in this bonus page, which is the link is provided below this video in the description area of this YouTube video. Okay, you have to click on this link, then you will be landing on my bonus page. And also once you purchase, if in even if you choose for this front end, which costs $12.95, you will be getting all the bonuses listed in this bonus page. Okay, so I'll summarize it. So on 16th of October, 9 a.m. EST, this product will be live, so you can take action after that. I think I have covered everything now. Thanks for watching this review video. If you like it, then you can uh, click on the like button and share it, or subscribe to my YouTube channel for this kind of review videos also in the future. So thank you very much and take care. All the best.